Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change ringtone on Sony Xperia device. If you are tired of your device ringtone, and then you can change it with the following steps. First of all, please open the settings menu on your device. And then you can select the sound option here. And then here you can scroll down. After that, tap the phone ringtone option. And then select the ringtone you want. After that, click OK. And then the ringtone on your device was successfully replaced. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change ringtone on Sony Xperia device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.